guys, welcome back again with a new topic in JavaScript, that is objects in JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented framework, and object is a collection of properties where each properties link a key to it a value. Let me explain you what object express. Like we considered a constant student, in which this is an empty object. Right now it doesn't have any key and a value. Inside it, when I considered name equals to something. Now here name is a key and Ananya is its value. Another key is class. If I print console.log, in earlier chapters we have considered that to check the type of anything in the JavaScript we have type of. Okay, now applying it again, type of. We need to check the type of a student. Terminal. In terminal, we will run the command node. The name of a file that is javascript.js. Now we've seen that the type of student is object. Object is something which has properties like keys and have its value. Now to print the value of its key, we have console.log. There are different ways. First way is this: we will write the name of object dot its key name, that is name. Let us print it. Run the command again. We have object, the value is Ananya. Now the next way in which we can print the value, get the value of key of object, that is console.log name of objects, this brackets, and inside it the value name of a key, like its class. We will run the command again. Now the value is 10. This is how to get the value of a key in the objects. If I considered an empty object again, like we take an empty object constant courses. Okay, now it is now empty. To initialize, like add some different keys, we have like we can initialize in the way. First way is I've given courses dot, like let's consider subject equals to English. Let me print now, but that the value goes inside this courses object. Now console.log will print the courses. Clear the command prompt. Again we are running the command. We have student where key is subjects and its value is English. When I write something like using the dot operator, like courses dot, this is the key. This is a key name, and equals to this is the value of a key. This is the first way in which we can initialize the keys in a object. The second way is courses bracket student, that is we can write it students, that is equals to let me give 10. Now if I again print the courses, let's check status. Now the first key is subject, its value is English, and again the value is student, key is students, and value is 10. Now these are the two ways in which we can initialize the values of a keys inside the object. Another way is also like this: constant courses, like we can give it like this, like institution name, institution, that is equals to like ABC. We can consider it example. This is a way. Another way we can use is by using the spread operator. Now this is how we can do it, spread operator. What is firstly let me explain what is spread operator. Like we have two list arrays, like A is equals to 1, 2, this something. Okay. Next one, let me consider another one array. Let B equals to A, we can take it A, comma b, like something. If I want to join these two arrays, like I want to make another array that is a combination of a and b, in such cases we use a spread operator to join these two arrays. Like another array ab will equals to bracket, we will put three dots and a, after a comma we will have put the three dots again the b. Now let me print this now console.log ab. जब भी हमें कोई दो एरेज को जोड़ के उन दोनों को जोड़ के एक अनदर एरे बनाना जो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ हो, देन वी यूज दिस स्प्रेड ऑपरेटर्स. ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन आई रन दिस कमांड अगेन वी हैव 122 34 7 ab. if I write b first and then a after that it, I have like this. Firstly it will consider the values of b, that is ab, and then after that 122 34 37. Now how spread operator is used to initialize or give the keys inside the object? We can say earlier we have an object that is courses. Inside a courses I want to create another object like we can take it school. Okay. Inside it we have written I need to join these courses, that is courses courses, along with that name equals to like a b c something. I'm taking example. Now what it will do, firstly I'll print it, after that I'll explain it to you. When we're printing is we have institution, that is equals to abc, second key is subject, third is student, and along with that we want that okay, I didn't print the school, our console.log school. Okay. We are running with this. We have an values. Earlier the object was courses. Courses have keys institution, student and students, subject and students. When I use the spread operator, I create another object that is school. First keys are keys of courses. By using the spread operator, this key's name is added to that particular object. Now the school object is combination of first object and along with that a key is added to it. Like that is institution, subject, students and name. Okay. Now to get the key we have school dot we can get school dot institution. School dot institution, we will get the value. We're printing it again. Here we have that is abc. So these are the ways in which we can add keys inside our objects. Now the object, firstly you can take objects an empty object that will inside these brackets. Inside along with this you can add the values by different ways. I have let you know. Okay. Now whenever I want to update the value of a, now if I need to update the value of some key, okay, I can write it where it is school dot name equals to, like let's consider like this. Now I'm printed, after that I'm printing again console.log school. Okay, let's check the values updated. If we want to update the value of any key inside the object, what we have to do is school.name and we'll initialize the values. Same way we can also do like this. We have put these square brackets and this, clear the command prompt, run it again. Now we have name equals to Kanika. There are different ways in which we can get the values or update the values of a object. Now if I need to delete some key from the object, what we have to do is, let me do delete a key in an object. I'll just write school dot I have to delete subject equals to what we have to write it, delete keyword, and this one let me run what have we written, school dot subject. We have written missing something. Now we will write it again, delete a key in object, we need to delete DELET, delete. We have school dot the name of the key you want to delete. Okay, in this way our it will delete the property subject. Okay, again we have console.log in school. In this there is no property subject, no key that is subject. This is the way in which we can get the values of a object, set the values of the objects. We can update the object. In this, first is how we can get the value of object. To get the value of object, value of key of object, there are two ways. First one is object dot key of a object. Like we have object student, that is student dot institution. ठीक है. Another way is student curly braces. This in this inside it we will write the key name institution. ठीक है. Same time, if we need to delete the key, we write this student delete keyword dot student dot, that is key name. To update the value of a key, we will write here like the name of a key, like student dot. अभी तो institution में when we write the command delete student dot institution, this value will be deleted. Now we can't write initialize here. This will not work. Why? जब जावास्क्रिप्ट स्टेप बाय स्टेप कोड रन होगा, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट डॉट इंस्टीट्यूशन विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टूडेंट डॉट इंस्टीट्यूशन, अगेन विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टूडेंट डॉट इंस्टीट्यूशन. After that it will delete the key, that is student dot institution. When I will again set the property, now what it will do, it will not update the property, it will again assign a property key to the object, that is add, something like that. Okay, in this way it will work. To update, we just write the name of property and key and update its value. Okay, after that there is another thing. If I need to change my object to an array, let's consider let cars equals to, I will write brand. I'm writing here brand. After that I want to change, we can say brand outer date लिख लेते हैं, outer date equals to like something 34. I'm writing 12/10/2024. Okay, what I want to do is I want to convert this array to object, that is object to array, object to array. So what we will do, we will just say constant cars array will equals to object dot value bracket, inside it we will put the name of this. Now student is not okay, we are errors with this. Let me comment this, control K C, run it again. We have okay, we need to console it to console dot log cars array. Let's run. We have array like this. Let me clear for the better view. CLS running it again. Now we have I have changed this object to an array. If I print like a console dot log type of first is cars, and after that we will check the console dot log type of cars array. We are printing it. Let's run it the command again. We have this is okay. Another part is, let me explain this again. When I have turned this cars dot, that is object dot values to this when I print this, अब जब क्या किया, पहले कार्ड्स थी, कार्ड्स क्या थे, ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे. I have said to you that objects को अगर arrays में convert करना हो, we have object dot values and then inside the brackets we give the name of the object, that is car. Now console dot array, this cars array, when I console it, we have that same, yeah, it's looking odd and this. But when I have to check that type of cars and cars array both turn to objects, I say JavaScript behaves in an object-oriented language. In this, there is exception that the arrays also have type like objects. To check whether that is array or not, what we will do is console.log bracket array dot is array bracket the name of array, that is cars array, to check that whether array is an array. Okay, so we write this, we have true. Okay, this is, we use array dot is array to check whether array is an array or not, array is an array or not. Okay, in JavaScript, object has a type, array has a type of like the objects. Okay, so to verify it whether it's an array or not, we just write array dot is array, in brackets we write the name of array. Okay, after that there is another property in if that is this keyword. Now how this keyword is used in object is, inside it, if I make a property honk, I made it like a function, function function bracket, I will return it console dot log. Whenever to write the get the property inside the JavaScript, we use this backticks. This honk belong to brand, brand. I will write dollar brackets, inside it I write this dot brand. I've earlier tell you, whenever I want to get the value of a key, some key, we write the name of object, that is car dot brand. But whenever I'm using this inside an object, so in here we can, this behaves like the object. Now this will behave like a object, that is cars. Now let us check. We have written inside it. Now I'm writing here, printing it console. Okay, let me call this object cars dot honk. Okay, I'm calling this function, writing this is function. We have this is the console statement. Let me comment the other code for better understanding. We are clearing this CLS. Now we have called this cars.honk. Inside the car honk, the function has been made, that is function. Functions are used to perform the repetitive action. Rather than writing the code again and again, we are writing a code that will be called. Okay, function doesn't work until we call it. Okay, so when I call a property cars.honk, inside it we have created a function console.log. This honk belong to a brand dollar brackets, inside it I've written this dot brand. I have earlier let you know that whenever we want to get the value of a key, we used to write name of objects dot its key name. Here this behaves as a object. Now this will behaves as a cards, and I get the property brand. Okay, this way if this is act as the name of an object. So we have get, when I call cars.honk, I get the properties this dot honk belong to brand Audi. Okay, if I change the name of a brand like something, here I write to update the value cars dot brand, it's changed to Maruti. Let's see what happens. Now here brand belong to Maruti. We have updated the value of a key. Okay. To get the value, we use console.log name of objects cars dot outdate. Let us print it. We have the car dot outdate sprint like 12 10 this. To write something along with this, I can give it like this, outdate. So these are the objects in JavaScript. I've let you know what is an object. Object is just the collection of properties where each property links a key to a value. In this, key is institution, its value is ABC. The something that is in the key and value pair are known as objects in JavaScript. To convert an object to an array, we usually use object dot value brackets, the name of object, it turns to array. To get the value of object, we have two ways, that is cast dot operator, and after that we can also use that brackets. Inside it we can give the name of a key. In this way we can get the values of a key. If we want to update the value, we just give car dot brand and in equals to this update the value of the key. Okay. In another special property was this operator. This operator behaves like the object inside the object. Okay. So to delete the property in object, we have delete dot, like we can give this delete dot car name. Let's print. Now we don't have to give the name like this. Delete dot brand. It will gives error here, so I'm just commenting this code. We can get console.log cars. Console.log so this have deleted the function property brand. Okay, that's why we are getting error inside it, because this is like this because we have deleted the property. So in this way the objects work inside the JavaScript. These are just how we initialize the property keys in the JavaScript, how we update them, delete them and get them. Okay, I hope you all have understand the concept. We will again discuss more topics in the next chapters. Thank you.